Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will be tracing from 1 to 10 with different colors. Let us get started. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have traced all these numbers with different colors. I hope you like it. Thank you kids for watching this video. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.